Hello everybody, today I'm joined by GoldenPickAxe, and we are playing Natural Disaster Survival in Roblox, but we have a lot of tabs open. I'm also currently using a lot, it says 100% CPU! I hope you caught that.
100%.
It actually said 100% CPU. I'm not even joking.
Did that I can do before. I just have a bunch of Chrome tabs.
My computer's gonna die. It has Zoom, Steam,
21.
OBS.
We're doing
My
good, brother.
computer's- My computer's fine. Let's all pray that my computer doesn't explode. Why did everybody vote glass office?
No! I am a remote glass office. No!
Hamburger.
They voted glass office.
Baba Booey.
Before we actually go anywhere, let's stay on ground one.
I don't care.
Party Palace. Let's go to Party Palace.
Let it go. Baba Booey.
It just says, like, lightning, and then we all die.
Yeah.
What do you think it's gonna be? I hope it's gonna be flash flood. Oh!
Bro, this is like the most boring one.
I agree. Deadly virus. What was that? And, volcano. Probably. Is.
Give me your liver.
Give me your liver.
And then just Luigi saying, here's your liver back.
These nuts.
Get away from me, sir.
Get away from me, you plague creatures.
Is this COVID-19, guys? Is this a COVID-19?
Guys, no way, natural disaster survival predicted COVID. And I said in like a chill's voice, number 15, natural disaster survival. The thing that natural disaster survival
What the dog doing?
is COVID-19.
21.
Hey. Bro, are you sick?
No, I'm not sick.
I'm not. Yeah, you are sick. Don't lie. You have no health.
I also took fall damage.
Ah, see you cock. Boy. You crazy. Oh, the party place, rather. That's what I'm nostalgic for.
These nuts.
I'm a happy home kind of guy.
Bro, who voted Glass Office again?
Glass
Office is
Office.
the most mad map, I think, because it's so.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Everybody goes to the tallest place in a map for some reason.
Hamburger.
I remember when this wasn't broken, I thought this used to actually shoot up.
It
Baba
did
Booey.
What the
before.
dog doing?
I thought it did, but I could be completely wrong.
I feel like it did too, but again, you know, like I never saw it do that. I don't think. I think it's gonna be flash flood.
I
Or
think it's
tsunami.
gonna be tidal wave. Oh, tsunami.
Tsunami.
Oh yeah, that close enough.
Get in your balloon, comrade, and get
Balloon
ready to
at the
jump
ready,
forward.
sir.
Actually, wait, don't turn it, put it on. Don't equip it yet, because it can pop sometimes. Everybody died there.
When I like, wah!
Yeah, everybody's dead. Right? Wait, I think one person's alive.
Yeah, how is that person
What the hell?
alive?
Anyone?
Yeah, one person.
Not toast.
Somehow.
That was him.
Not toast. Yes, not toast. You are bread.
Baba Booey.
Guess what sound effects is coming next? Oh, hamburger. Hey, the monkey's on
Emily's
top of
away
me.
sound effect.
Monkey! Monkey, 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 monkey.
What the hell?
What the dog doing?
What's the dog doing? I think there's a cloud in the sky, comrade. I don't think we should get on it.
I think we should, brother, because it's cloud. Get on this one.
Hello, comrade.
So,
Let him go.
there's panic for me. Remember Pokemon Brick Bronze, brother? Yeah, I stay at the top of
Okay,
this.
get down here.
Bruh.
Get on the middle thing. Get on the red star thing.
Oh! I
No.
could not get on.
I'll fight on for you,
These
brother.
nuts.
Hey, look. Hey, comrade, you ready to end the video?
Why?
Because we're at the 8-minute mark.
What's so special about the 8-minute mark?
You
Right,
can
it's
get paid.
die.
Not that I'm getting
What?
paid, but also I don't want my computer to explode into flames. So,
What the hell?
everybody, that was it. It's not even
Thank-
closing. Look how many YouTube tabs I have open. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Huge shout out to GoldenPickAxe. You need to subscribe to him now. And see you guys in the next video.
Aww.